Hey, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I explain the Community West Bank app review to see with what you're using. So let's dive into it. The Community West Bank app allows customers to manage their account securely from their mobile devices. It includes features such as checking balances, viewing recent transactions, transferring funds, depositing checks with mobile capture, paying bills, and locating nearby branches or ATMs. The app also supports Zelle for person-to-person payment and offer security features like biometric log, ensuring safe and convenient banking for both iOS and Android users. However, the app does not go beyond standard bank functions. So users looking for advanced financial planning, budgeting, or investment tools may find it limited compared to large national bank apps. So, a few users also mention occasional glitches after update, though these are typically resolved quickly. And talking about if the app is worth using, the answer is yes, the app worth using if you are a Community West Bank seeking a reliable everyday mobile banking, but not ideal if you want advanced money management or a fintech styles extras. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.